Alright, for the community out there that's having a similar problem with their HiHat stand, this is an Iron Cobra. So what has happened with this stand, over the years, wear and tear, now it doesn't go up or down that much. So something tells me that the spring either has broken or something has happened. So I will show you what's wrong and how to fix it. Okay, so you want to remove the two screws that are right in the front, and then it'll expose the front side. Right, so now what you want to do is remove this rod and see if the spring in here just falls through. Most likely it's going to come down because this piece up here will stop it, and see if it's broken. Okay, so here are the findings for the problem. So after pulling this rod, the spring came out and additional pieces, so the spring broke off. So essentially what we need to do is I can either try this piece, or I had a spring laying around which has a lot of tension, which will still work. So essentially the way that this functions is the rod goes in through the top, and then right where this little stopper is, so you have a washer. So this washer will go here as such, and then the spring will go here as an example. So when this enters down, but of course this way down, and you press down on the pedal, you build that tension, and then at however height you want it, and what that does, it just pulls the hi-hat back up. So then you have the action of pressing on the pedal to close it. So that's pretty much the fix. Now I just have to, in this case, most likely get another washer, or maybe not. If this sits inside without any issues, then I should just be able to press this down and attach the pedal at the bottom. It should be fine, so I will show you once assembled. Okay, so here's the end result after putting the rod through with the spring first. Goes in, and the spring pretty much gets stuck somewhere in here because it has a smaller pocket. So with the rod and the tension limiter or stopper, pretty much press down to engage it, and then I just screw the rod there at the bottom, and now I have a working hi-hat again. So there you go. That's pretty much the fix for this. You can either try to buy the original one, but I just have some spare springs laying around. You can just get some at Home Depot, and that should do it. Alright, hope this helps. And here is the hi-hat functioning. Has a nice tension because the spring is stronger. So there you have it. Peace out.